What's up, Toosters? 2 bits. Y'all know who I'm riding with. Y'all know who I'm riding with. Pun. Y'all see my boy Tyban over here. He done got his truck back. Y'all see he got that big Harley EFI. That thing nice. Woo, that thing nice. So we cruising with his new LS setup in here. He had to take me around the block one time, see if he can knock my hat off. Now let me out and do that. Oh, he gonna let me out, y'all, and he gonna repeat that process one more time.
I ain't got that silly setup yet, man.
Yeah, he's still testing and tuning, man. He's still trying to tune this thing, man. Get this thing dialed in. So y'all hold on. All right, y'all see Pun. He got that new setup, man. Y'all know what he on. Them cowlings. Pun got his new setup, man. We want to see what the Punisher will do, or do I need to change his name to Mr. Nice Guy? He's still learning it, y'all. He's still learning it. Okay, Pun, they're a little upset. Don't cut it off. Spool it up. No, it just won't spool up, will it? Well, I think that's all for today, folks. Y'all seen the Pun. I think I'm gonna have to change his name. It ain't the Punisher no more. It's a gentleman. It's a damn gentleman now. So he ain't got the boost control hooked up, y'all. So they say, we voted, we gonna change your name from Punisher to Gentleman. So now it ain't the Pun, it's the Gin. Sound good though. Damn Pun. Oh, I put some mufflers on that thing. I'm gonna put a damn potato in that sumbitch or something. That's that on that, folks. I'll be back in a minute.